This week's video is about taking some scrap oak and turning it into a beautiful gift or an item that you could sell on a market stall, maybe even online. And to top it off, I'm basically only using a pull saw, a sanding block and a drill. I'm definitely going to need some more practice with the hand tools, but I'm really enjoying it actually. But yeah, they're not quite square, but they'll be good enough to put this piece together. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the video, please hit that like button, leave us a comment, let me know. Do you want to see more hand tools or basic tool videos? I'm really open to that, so if there's enough interest, I'll definitely get that on the list. I'd like to say a quick thank you to Temple Tools for sending me a selection of their pull saws. These are phenomenal quality. Anybody interested in them, I have put a link to both their US and UK site in the description. You won't be disappointed.
I was going to leave it as a shelving unit, but I thought it'd be lovely with hooks on for a key rack for just inside the front door. And I really wish I'd had brass tacks. I think they would have added something just a little bit more special than the steel ones. For a finish, I've just applied a honey coloured beeswax.
A charming shelving key rack made from scrap oak. I absolutely love it, and it's staying in the shop for now.